Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to type vertically using the Adobe After Effects. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do here, you can open this Adobe After Effects, and after that you can go to this composition and click the new composition and click OK. And here I prefer to type the text into the black background color. So guys, if you would like to type something here, it is still the same. You need to click this type tool, and for example I will type horizontal. This is the text that you can create horizontally, and what tools that can help us to type vertically. So guys, it is actually the same, but you need to click this type tool, click it and hold it until you find this vertical type tool. Basically this is in the same place, but you need the certain treatment, which is click this and hold it until you see the vertical type tool here. You can select it and you can start to type the text into this, let's say the blank project. For example, I will type vertical. And I will also adjust the size of this text. And if you don't find the adjustment here, don't worry, because you can click this. Let's say since I typed the vertical, so it will show into this layer named vertical, and go to this transform and go to the scale and click this, and let's say drag it into to the left to minimize the size like this. So there you have it. This is the way if you would like to type something vertically into this Adobe After Effects. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this tutorial. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.